Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for you. And today our doodle is Awoofy, one of the cute little bad guys from the new Kirby game, Kirby and the Forgotten Land. So I thought Awoofy was way too cute not to draw. I'm going to start drawing him. I'm going to start with his nose. So I'm going to do a little shape like that. And now a pretty much the same shape, only bigger. And now we're going to do eyes. So I'm going to do one of those and another one, like that. But now I'm going to do two lines going downward. So one right there and one right there. So these are his eyebrows, and he's not very happy. But we know that he's a bad guy, so. And do a circle here and one here. And here we're going to do kind of just a little wavy shape, kind of like the shape of a little jelly bean or something. And then we can color in the middle part dark. Okay, so now I'm going to come on up from this mouth area, like that. And I'm going to put an ear here in the back. It's kind of like the shape of like a shark fin, only not pointy. And I'm going to put another ear right here, like that. And I'm going to do the inside of the ear, just kind of a triangle. And I'm going to do a little squiggly line going through right there. And over here, I'm going to do kind of a little squiggly one too, because one part of his ear is going to be a different color from this top part. All right, so now we can curve on down here a little bit. And let's do a little paw. He's going to have 1, 2, 3 little toes, fingers, whatever these are. And I'm going to put a little line right there. And over here, we're going to do another little paw. So 1, 2, 3. And I can do one of those little squiggly lines too, because this part is also going to be a different color than the rest of them. And now I'm going to start right here. So kind of up here, kind of by the ear, but down a little ways. And we're going to do his body. It's a great big curve. Just gonna do that one there. And let's do a little tail. Bring it on back in, kind of like a little fox tail. And do that little wiggly line. And now let's give him a foot. I'm gonna give him those 3 little toes again. And bring it on in. Okay, so I think he looks so cute. But I'm gonna do another little line here, because part of his belly is a different color than the rest of his body. So we've got him drawn. I think he looks so cute. And I'm gonna start to color now. Oh, sorry folks, I almost forgot. On top of his head, he's also got a little spot that is a different color than the rest of them. So I just did kind of like a little squiggly line there, and I'm gonna color that a different color. I can't believe I almost forgot that. All right, sorry about that. Let's keep coloring. All right, folks, so we are finished our doodle for the day. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you had a great time drawing, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everybody, goodbye.